Guys, it seems like everyone is working with video these days. Whether it's professional or just simply our social media, we've all become video editors of sorts, and with such high quality camera phones, files are getting big and sometimes quite complicated to manage. Working with different types of video files and formats can sometimes be a bit of a challenge, but I'm going to show you some cool software today that is going to help you to manage your videos with the greatest of ease, and it's coming right up. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is a cool 5-in-1 video converter that enables you to edit, convert, resize over 400 audio and video formats so that you can take the very big files that our modern cameras and phones create and distribute them to many devices at a fraction of the size with no noticeable loss of quality. And it also enables you to download videos from lots and lots of different video hosting sites. So that's pretty neat. Now, before we get into it, DigiArty reached out to me and asked me to take a look at this software in exchange for my honest review. And you know what, guys? Whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So guys, first up, we need to hop over to the VideoProc converter website. Now, we can see here, at the time of making this video, there are some sales going on, so more on that later. We also see that there are versions for both Microsoft Windows and Mac. Now, don't worry, you don't need to pay for anything right now. There is a free trial so that you can really figure this out if it's going to be right for you or not. So guys, now the website is also going to give you a ton of information, but before we get into all of the features, let's download the software. So guys, now we have the software downloaded, we can fire it up, and straight away you can see the 4 options you have. You've got video, which is where you can do all your video conversion, music conversion, and it gives you some cool editing features. You've got DVD, which enables you to take physical DVD discs and ISOs, yeah, people still use physical DVD discs, and convert them to compressed video formats. Then you also have the ability to download video from video hosting sites. All you need to do here is paste in a link of the hosted video and boom, you can download it, and that is pretty neat. And guys, last of all, you've got the recorder, which enables you to capture live streams from your iPhone, your desktop, and a lot more. So this would be a pretty long video if we were to review all of these elements today. So guys, we are just going to focus on the video conversion section. So I'm going to load in a YouTube video that I made recently for an e-scooter helmet. Now, you can see that this is a 4K video and it's around 6 minutes long and has a file size of a massive 10 gigabytes. Now, if I wanted to take that video with me or keep it on my phone or even just store it, as I do with all of my YouTube videos, I would need terabytes of storage, and transporting it from one device to another is not that easy either. Now guys, taking a look at the options, you can see that down the side I've got a thumbnail of the video with the play button. I've got hardware acceleration section, which is quite nice as this includes the NVIDIA GPU acceleration, AMD, and for Mac users, yeah, M1 or M acceleration. So you know what, that's pretty nice. We also have the ability to choose the high quality engine setting, de-interlacing, and we can also merge multiple files into one, so that's quite neat too. Then guys, we get to our output file destination and we've got the run button. So lots and lots of features there to be getting along with. And also guys, at the bottom of the user interface here, we've got our target formats as well. And we've got the toolbox, which again contains a bunch of those editing tools I mentioned. So guys, let's have a go at converting some video. Here is a video shot in 4K of me talking. It's around 6 minutes long and it's over 10 gigabytes in size. This is for another YouTube video, and let me tell you, I make a lot of videos and I like to keep them, and even with 48 terabytes of RAID storage, I'm still very wary about file sizes and storage. And also guys, these days you need a pretty beefy computer to edit 4K footage, especially when you start using some effects, layers, color grades and so on. So guys, again, converting to a more manageable format makes absolute sense. Now guys, on the hardware acceleration pane, you can see that I've ticked the M option. As I said before, that's what I've got. I've got an M processor, and I'm going to select the 4K H.264 codec option from the presets. And click run, and let's go. Now guys, I've sped this up as I don't want to keep you waiting, but all in all I'm going to say that this took around 5 minutes to complete, and looking at the file sizes you can see that my newly converted clip is only a mere 1.5 gigabytes in size. That means the new file is 85% smaller than the original. I mean, that's crazy, right? And now for the big test as to whether or not we can notice any loss in quality. So let's play both the clips side by side and see if you can tell any quality loss. But first, a quick look at the file sizes so you can see that there is no smoke and mirrors here. First up, the original. There you have it at 10.8 gigabytes. Massive. And now the VideoProc converted file, just 1.54 gigabytes. Yes, 1.5 gigabytes, that is amazing. And for the playback, well, let's take a look. And there you go. No noticeable difference at all. Looking at the toolbox and some of those editing tools, you have things like de-shake and de-noise. Then you have merge, trim, split, which I use quite a lot, and a bunch of other useful features. And don't forget guys, the audio conversion capabilities. You've got a whole bunch of those, including uncompressed FLAC. I mean, this is some pretty useful software. So guys, there you have it. This is just a tiny look at one piece of this crazy useful software. In summary, this one app lets you edit, convert, resize, adjust large 4K and HDR videos, audio and DVDs easily, and it uses hardware GPU acceleration. You can also convert video, audio and DVDs to over 400 formats and devices without any quality loss. The app supports batch conversion and allows you to save videos offline from over 1,000 online sites. You can record your computer screen and webcam in 3 different modes, and you get some pretty damn handy editing tools. So you know what guys, this is absolutely brilliant, and it's very simple to use, and you get to try it all out for free. And if you like it, well, the cost? Right now you can get the full version of this app for just over $2 a month, which quite frankly is almost free. So guys, if you have any comments, questions, leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. If you also like to see some other features in this video, then just let me know, leave me a comment. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to Digiarty for sending me this VideoProc converter. It is a very useful piece of software. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.